There are two different options for starting up the A200. The user guidance by choosing applications or the direct startup of the system. I would like to present both options to you here. Let's start with the user guidance by selecting the desired application. This option enables you to always start the AQUAPHON system with the same specifications, regardless of which settings were used previously. This start option is particularly useful if a A200 is only used occasionally, or if the system is required by several users in turn, for example in emergency service. Now switch on the A200 receiver first. To do this, press the on-off button until the green LED on the top lights up. After the startup process, you will be taken to the selection of the application. Now select either leak detection or pipe location by tapping the corresponding button. In this example, we choose leak detection. One of the four possible applications can be chosen: locating the leak on paved surfaces, location on unpaved surfaces, pre-location at fittings, or the universal leak detection in buildings. In this example, we want to locate a leak on a paved surface. The A200 now supports you with the necessary steps. First, switch on the F8 wireless headphones. The symbol in the right display area is activated as soon as the connection has been successfully established. Now connect the TS200 carrying rod to the BM200 ground microphone and tighten the connection. Now press the on-off button on the TS200 for approximately 2 seconds. The connection to the A200 is established, the symbol on the right is activated and you automatically enter the measuring mode. The AQUAPHON is now ready to pinpoint a leak at the surface. Now let's take a look at the direct startup option. A direct start is useful for all users who want to have their settings made available for each microphone again and again, like the professionals in the water leak detection who use the A200 every day. The difference between the user-guided startup and the direct startup is the order of activating the system components. In our example, we use the BM200 with the TS200 for the pinpointing of leaks on paved surfaces again. Switch on the TS200 carrying rod and the wireless headphones, F8. The last thing to do is to start up the A200 receiver.
Oder du kannst schon den Text ruhig sagen.
In the top left corner of the display, you will see now the symbol for the connected microphone. The system is ready for use with the personal settings you have made. There are various ways of carrying the A200 in use. A hand strap allows it to be worn comfortably during short sporadic operations and is the optimal choice for leak detection in the building together with the UM200. Mounted on the right or left side of the housing, the hand strap offers optimal comfort for right and left-handers. The universal variant of carrying the A200 is a triangle belt. It is attached to 4 mounting points on the receiver, so the A200 can be easily carried around the neck. The wide neck pad offers best comfort even over a long period of use. The lap belt was developed for professional use in daily leak detection. With its help, the A200 can be attached to the plate, and in addition a narrow carrying strap enables the receiver to be attached to the shoulder to prevent the A200 from swimming around. Therefore, the AQUAPHON A200 does not interfere while opening valve boxes, and both hands remain free from work. The AQUAPHON A200 offers the perfect solution for every location task.